Scientists just discovered that simply smelling one common kitchen herb can sharpen your memory by up to 75% in seconds. It grows in millions of gardens, costs almost nothing, and may be the most overlooked brain booster sitting in your spice rack. Walking into a room and forgetting why. Searching for your glasses while they sit on your head. Sound familiar? After 50, many of us notice these little memory slips creeping in more often, and they can feel quietly unsettling. Names slip away mid-sentence. Appointments blur. Reading the same paragraph twice becomes a frustrating daily habit. Brain fog is not just annoying. It chips away at confidence and makes everyday tasks feel heavier than they should. Now here is where things get interesting. Ancient Greek scholars wore rosemary garlands during exams to sharpen their thinking. Shakespeare even wrote, "Rosemary, that's for remembrance." For centuries, this fragrant herb has been tied to memory and clarity. Modern researchers decided to test the old wisdom in clinical settings. What they found surprised even the skeptics in the lab. A study at Northumbria University showed adults exposed to rosemary aroma performed memory tasks up to 75% better. So what is actually happening inside your brain when you breathe in that piney, slightly woody scent? Rosemary contains a compound called 1,8-cineol, which travels through the nose and into the bloodstream within minutes. Research shows this compound helps protect acetylcholine, a key brain messenger linked to memory, learning, and mental clarity. As we age, acetylcholine naturally declines. Supporting it gently through aroma may help keep recall sharper for longer. Studies also suggest rosemary's antioxidants reduce oxidative stress in brain cells, which is one driver of age-related fog. Tip number 1. Keep a small bouquet of fresh rosemary on your desk or kitchen counter where you spend time. Gently crush a leaf between your fingers every hour and inhale slowly. 3 deep breaths is all you need. Tip number 2. Try rosemary essential oil in a small diffuser while reading, writing, or doing crossword puzzles. Add 4 to 5 drops to your diffuser with water. Run it for 20 minutes during focused mental work. Tip number 3. Make a brain-boosting rosemary tea. This is the recipe I personally love most for foggy afternoons. Bring 2 cups of filtered water to a gentle simmer. Avoid a rolling boil, which destroys the delicate oils. Add 1 heaping tablespoon of fresh rosemary leaves, or 1 teaspoon if using dried. Stir once and cover the pot. Let it steep gently for 10 minutes. The water will turn a soft golden green, and the kitchen will smell wonderful. Strain into your favorite mug. Add a slice of lemon and a small spoon of raw honey if you like sweetness. Sip it slowly in the morning or early afternoon. Avoid late evening, since rosemary is gently stimulating to the mind. Tip number 4. Pair rosemary with a short walk outdoors. Movement plus aroma multiplies the benefits for focus and mood. Carry a small sprig in your pocket. The warmth of your body releases the oils slowly as you walk. Tip number 5. Sprinkle fresh chopped rosemary onto roasted vegetables, eggs, or warm soups several times each week. Eating it regularly delivers those same antioxidants directly to your system, supporting your brain from the inside out. One quiet bonus tip. Place dried rosemary in a small sachet under your pillow. Some report clearer dreams and easier mornings. A gentle note. If you take blood thinners or have high blood pressure, talk to your doctor before using concentrated rosemary oil. For most people, the aroma and culinary amounts are wonderfully safe and have been used for thousands of years. So let's recap. Crush rosemary leaves to inhale, diffuse the oil while you focus, and brew that golden tea daily. Add it to meals, carry a sprig on walks, and let this ancient herb quietly support your sharpest thinking. If this gentle wisdom helped you, please subscribe to Natural Hacks. We share one simple natural remedy with you every week. Tap the bell so you never miss our next remedy. And tell us in the comments, will you be trying rosemary tea? Thank you for spending these quiet minutes with us. Small daily habits, rooted in nature, often bring the biggest changes. This information is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult your doctor before changing your wellness routine.